It's been said holding on to hope when everything is dark is the greatest test of faith. Surrounded by the darkness of poverty and indifference, Rosa's faith is certainly being tested. Raising a disabled child in Guatemala is overwhelming, and yet she holds on to her daughter even tighter, while others refuse to hold her at all.
And what hurts most is my husband's family have never hugged her. They have never done that.
Okay, here it is. In most cases, in most of these mountainous villages, it's believed disabled children are a curse, an embarrassment. Euritzi's being born with a condition that causes fluid buildup in her brain is a punishment for past sins. She can't walk, she can't talk, she can't see. It sounds hopeless. It's not. Help is on the way. Her name is Delfina. She's a promoter for Therapy Clinics International.
The idea is for promoters to be able to go and reach out to people in the communities.
Communities like Lamoa, not that far from a clinic staffed by TCI where Rosa used to bring Euritzi for treatment. But Delfina bringing the treatment here is much better, much easier on Rosa, much cheaper for a family that finds it hard to pay the bus fare to a nearby town. Not to mention the looks Euritzi gets from other passengers on those buses.
Hay unos que sí, hay veces solo nos quedan mirando.
It seems that there are some who just look at her like she is, I don't know. It's strange for them.
Not that it wasn't a little strange at first for Delfina, as she was trained by TCI to help children like Euritzi.
Las primeras veces sí era difícil porque...
The first time, yes. Yes, it was difficult because in my case, I was afraid I would break something or not do the exercises correctly.
Exercises taught by TCI over several months of training to people like Delfina. Exercises that are working. This precious 5-year-old can now lift her head. She can use her hands more. She can sit with support. Support from TCI promoters like Delfina. Promoters who understand the challenges Rosa and Euritzi face each and every day.
We're not here to take the jobs away from professionals. We're here to help the professionals that can't reach those villages and can't come house to house. In a place that there's disability still a big stigma, if you see your neighbor or you see someone around that is hanging out with someone that has a disability, then what a better example of love and inclusion than that.
The love and inclusion that TCI provides to those isolated and surrounded by darkness, working together with mothers like Rosa, doing their best to hold on to hope, which makes perfect sense, for it's been said, the best thing to hold on to in life is each other.